Thank you, Risha. Thank you. So, yeah, let's go to our time for cognition fellowship and kind of welcoming of visitors and whatever that may be. Oh, we have the Mark and time. Dos, thank you so much. That was good. That was good. Masking kanina ito nag-prepare. Grano sa presentation sa mga. Ito question and answer, no? Bago kayo itong question and answer. Sige, Adolf, it's your turn next Sunday.
Amen. So, nakita na mo, nag-enjoy din sila sa ilang Sunday school. Sige lang, makapressure mo sa, sige lang. Isugdan man ninyo pinahawag. Maulang sa tani. Anyway, pakandaman na mo ni. Pakandaman na mo ni. Di balabot. Balabot na to eh. Pakandaman na mo. And so, welcome sa tanan. No, Maladori. And of course, binigit sa itong mga guests and visitors. And let us welcome them, mga members of church. Let's welcome our visitors unya as we sing our fellowship song. Hinamin ako tanan sa pagpanindog. Let us sing our fellowship song.